When was the first satellite communication invented? Have you ever wondered how we communicate across vast distances in an instant? The story of satellite communication is a fascinating journey through innovation and technology. To answer the question of when the first satellite communication was invented, we need to look back to a pivotal moment in history. The first satellite communication as we know it today began with the launch of Telstar 1 on July 10, 1962. This satellite was the first active communications satellite. What made Telstar 1 special was its ability to receive signals from Earth, amplify them, and then retransmit them back over long distances. This capability opened the door to a new era of communication. Telstar 1 achieved a remarkable milestone by enabling the first live transatlantic television transmission. This event connected viewers in the United States with those in France, showcasing the potential of space-based technology for telecommunications. It marked a significant leap forward in how we could share information and entertainment globally. Before Telstar, the idea of satellite communication was already taking shape. In 1945, Arthur C. Clarke proposed the concept of using geostationary satellites to relay radio signals around the world. His vision laid the groundwork for what would eventually become a reality, although it took nearly 2 decades to bring this idea to life. The very first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. Sputnik carried a radio transmitter that sent signals back to Earth. However, it was not designed for communication between distant locations. Instead, it focused on studying radio wave propagation and marking the beginning of space exploration. So, while the concept of satellite communication was theorized in the mid-1940s, and the first satellite with a radio transmitter was launched in 1957, it was Telstar 1 in 1960 that demonstrated a practical satellite communication system. This innovation was a major milestone in human communication history, paving the way for the global satellite networks we relying on today. Since then, satellite communication has evolved tremendously. Geostationary satellites now provide continuous coverage over specific areas, making them essential for international phone calls, television broadcasts, internet services, and military communications. These advancements have profoundly changed how societies connect across the globe, making communication faster and more accessible than ever before.